Hey everyone, welcome to Adells. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a manual pump step by step. Whether it's your first time or you're just looking for a smoother routine, this guide is here to help. We'll start with setup, then move into positioning, adjusting the suction, and some helpful prep techniques to make things feel more natural and comfortable. I'll also share a few personal tips I've learned along the way. Little tricks that made the process quicker, easier, and way less stressful. Remember, always keep everything clean and avoid touching the inside of containers or parts that come into contact with the milk. Hygiene is super important. And a quick message to partners out there: your support means more than you know. A kind word or small gesture can go a long way. You're part of this too. Helpful tips to make pumping easier. Stick to a routine. Try to pump at the same time every day. This helps your body adapt and can lead to more consistent results. Drink more fluids. Drinking water before and after each session can really make a difference. It supports your overall comfort and boosts efficiency. Use warmth to your advantage. A warm towel or light massage before starting can make the process feel more natural and help things move along faster. Create a relaxing atmosphere. Watch a video, play calming music, or simply get some fresh air. Staying relaxed can actually improve the flow. Track your sessions. Write down the time and duration of each session or use an app. Noticing patterns can help you fine-tune your routine over time. Maintain sterility. Always wash your hands and avoid touching the inside of bottles or any parts that come into contact with the milk. Cleanliness is key. Prepare your space. Find a clean, quiet spot where all your supplies are within reach. Having everything ready saves time and reduces stress. Don't compare. Everyone's experience is different. Some days will be more productive than others, and that's completely normal. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you.